if you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. Reducing options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing can significantly enhance performance and reduce lag. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements for games. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 4. Check system requirements. Verify that your system meets or exceeds the recommended requirements for Red Dead Redemption 2. If your hardware is below the recommended specs, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card. Step 5. Optimize game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of game files. This process can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues, ensuring that the game runs as intended. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of Red Dead Redemption 2, reducing lag spikes and enhancing your overall gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.